तो नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग। एक बार फिर से आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल वेंडरर K2 में। आज है डे 3 और आज है सफारी डे। तो आज का प्लान है ओनली सफारी एंड रिलैक्सिंग एट द कैंप। टाइम हो चुका है 6:30 और चलते हैं एक वॉक पे इनसाइड द कैंप और आपको दिखाते हैं पेंच जंगल कैंप। Okay guys, all set and I am ready to meet Mowgli. So time to meet Mowgli, time to meet Sher Khan, time to see the Jungle Book. So टाइम हो गया है सफारी का। उसके पहले फटाफट लंच फिनिश करते हैं। लंच लग चुका है तो लंच फिनिश करेंगे एंड विल गो फॉर सफारी। So all set guys, we have started getting inside the forest. We are here at the main gate, main entrance of Pench Tiger Reserve. See the rush. This is unlock 5. So many people, so many gypsies are waiting to get in. So mask is mandatory. So you must have to carry a mask. Otherwise you have to pay $500. So if you are coming in this COVID time, you don't forget to get this mask, to carry this mask. Temperature checking and name entry. So this is the main entrance of Pench Tiger Reserve and this entrance is Turiya Gate. So officially inside the Tiger Reserve, Pench Tiger Reserve. So it's so nice to be inside the forest. Jhakas, bole to jhakas. that's it. 3 hours of safari is over now, and we are getting out of the forest. So Pench Tiger Reserve se itna hi. Welcome back, guys. So safari, we finished it. Now back to the hotel resort. Time is 10:30. We just finished our dinner, and the best part of today's dinner is lal mas, and they really made it nice. I won't say it was like extraordinary, but yes, considering mutton, it was good. I really enjoyed it, had it nicely. So done with dinner, and safari experience was very nice. Today is the last night in Pench Jungle Camp. So tomorrow I'm heading towards Agra, but I'm not sure whether I'll be able to make it to Agra or I have to halt in between. So that I will decide tomorrow, and I will update it accordingly. So we had a nice time. I met my chaddi buddy. He is ready to crash, and he is starting tomorrow to Bangalore. They will halt in Hyderabad. Then next day they will go to Bangalore, and I am going towards Agra. Then from Agra I'll move towards Uttarakhand. Places I will let you know on the move. So guys, let's talk about this stay, Pench Jungle Camp. It's a 5-star, right? It's a 5-star property, and luxurious tents. You have everything. The prices are on bit higher side. For one night, for double occupancy, it's around 11k, right?
9K.
9k.
4,500.
No, including taxes and all, it's around 10k, right? It comes to 10k. And you have everything included in it: lunch, breakfast, dinner, and high tea. So it's worth paying 10k, close to 10k for double occupancy for one night. And food is, you don't have a lot of varieties in lunch and dinner, but food what they make is really tasty. It's good. I never seen anyone complaining about the taste, right? So I will ask my friend how was his experience staying in Pench Jungle Camp. Bro, give some insight about what's your experience.
See, Pench Jungle Camp is not a actual jungle camp basically. So this is like a commercial area as such. So the nearest jungle is around 3 kilometers, which is the main Pench Tiger Reserve entrance. The best part over here is you get Wi-Fi, you get mobile network with 4G data.
We have Wi-Fi right here in this property?
Yes.
Okay.
So that's the best part about it.
Because I never connected it. I was using the mobile data only.
Okay, and staying connected with family when you are not with your family makes a lot of difference. You can talk to them in terms of emergency, or you can daily update them on the status, etc. Apart from that, the camp is really good. There is a lake, there is a pond sort of a thing, and everything is like accessible over here. And food is great, accommodation is great, etc., etc. And you come with a group or close buddy like this guy, you will enjoy.
And in the last, it's a nice place to be here, and if you are a real wildlife lover, you must visit Pench Jungle Camp and Pench Safari.
Yes.
So this is all. That's it from Pench Tiger Reserve. We had nice time, met nice people, met good friends. So that's it. So keep watching Wanderer K2.